So hey my guys, it's Pink Vanshika. So today I'm going to make a tutorial of makeup, and I have chosen like this type of makeup where I will be sharpening my brows very thin, and red lips and black lip liner. I won't do so much dark like this, but I will try make it as exact as I can. So let's get video started. So first we're gonna have to remove this bindi out of my forehead, my moisturizer and my sunscreen. With the primer here and here. So guys, for next I'm going to use my foundation here. Only 2 drops because 2 drops are very much, because it is high coverage. I literally do not use it too much. For God's sake guys, I forgot concealer. I forgot to use concealer before translucent powder as well. Now let's do my brows only. So I will use this kind of like a flat brush to make my brows thin. Guys, I literally feel like I have done some whitewash kind of thing on my face. Now for more whitewashing, I'll use this white color on my eyelid like this, or you can do it with your fingers too. And now I'm going to take a light brown color, cocoa kind of, and with a round brush I will go in my crease like this, very light. You have to put it very light and out like this. So now that I have done brown on both of the side, now I will again take the white color and do it here, like to make a cut I will do here. So guys, I actually wanted to make my eyeliner thin, but it couldn't work because I had to do like a puppy kind of eyes down as well. So yeah, it was shown like that, so I did the same and it got bold a little. Well, never mind, now we'll switch to other face features, because now the eyes that has been done. We're going to go with the eyelashes. Now we're going to do our nose contour and our chin to this. Highlight this a little. Now we're going to do blush. Like, I'm going to take a raw kind of color, pinkish. I don't know, I just felt like I should do some pinkish. Now that the red lips have been done, we're going to outline it with black, because it has shown the black color well. So it is looking something like this, and I'm in love with this makeup look. To make it more dark, it is already very dark. Well, now that here is my whole look, I think you like it, but one thing is missing that I love. So guys, this is my final look, and as you can see, it has turns out to be very well, and my hairs are not in proper way, so do not mind it. But I mean, just look at this. And I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press bell icon for new latest video of my makeup and vlogs. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching.